everyone, today I'm gonna do some bangs in my hair and I'm probably gonna regret this, but one life to live and I'm really tired with the way my hair looks. It's gonna be 1 year soon that my challenge, well, my challenge gonna be over in like a month, a little bit more than a month. I'm trying to not put, well, actually, I don't put any dye or any bleach on my hair for a year, and I only have 1 month left. But right now the urge of changing my hair is just really strong, and when I do, I usually just put layers or try to do different kind of stuff with my curls or when my hair is straight. But right now I really want some bangs, and I sometimes just go back to watch some of my own video on YouTube to just try stuff that I did in the past and just do them again. And I look at all of my videos and I realize that I never really have a video of me with bangs since I start YouTube on my straight hair. Because this summer, well, actually this last summer, I kind of had some bangs, but when it's curly, it's usually longer. So this is why the front of my hair looks shorter, because I think I did kind of cut them short when they were straight. I did some layers, and when it was curly, I actually really like it. So I want some bangs on my straight hair, and then I'll just figure it out what to do once they are curly again. So you know what, I'm gonna be honest, it's really a bad idea to do this right now because I have to go out. I was just doing my hair and I was like, okay, I think I'm just gonna do it. I have 15 minutes. So don't do this at home. Obviously, I'm not a hairdresser. This is not gonna really be a tutorial, but if you want to know, oh, I'm gonna do this, and if you want to try, it's at your own risk. I just want to say that. So I just straighten my hair, and usually one big mistake I did before, I took way too much hair. So now I'm not gonna take a lot of hair. I'm just gonna take a little triangle like this and try, wait, to be in the middle. I'm using my mirror at the same time. Yeah, okay, so don't use whatever scissor you have. Make sure you use a scissor that is a professional to cut your hair, because you're just gonna have split ends. It's just gonna mess your hair. Been there, done that, regret it. And since then, now I only cut my hair with some scissors that I just bought at my drugstore. So it's best to have a comb like this. So the best way that I usually cut my bang is I take the part that I want to cut, and I just turn it like this. So what it does, it's my hair, when I'm gonna let it go, it's just gonna not be one straight line, but it's gonna have some layers on the side. So this part's gonna be longer. So this is what I'm gonna do, but then after I'm just gonna cut more. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let this fall like this, and I'm gonna take the middle. So I'm just gonna let the side. I'm probably just gonna do a little cut today and clean it tomorrow when I have more time, because I feel like I'm not gonna be happy with the results so far. But anyways, so I'm gonna turn it again. So let me see, just take the comb like this and turn it again, and this time I'm just gonna go like this to make sure it's not one full blunt cut, but also it's not gonna be too heavy. It's gonna be lighter at the ends. So yeah, I'm just cutting. Let's go. And I'm in my bathroom, so every hair just gonna fall in my sink. After, I'm just gonna take a paper and clean all this. Bubble tail, I cut maybe like 1/2 inch, and then I'm gonna let it go, and as you can tell, it is a better. Okay, I look crazy, but don't worry, it's gonna look better. I'm gonna take my flat iron and I'm just gonna pass it a little bit in this section. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate this, and yeah, like this, and just, usually when I flat iron my hair, I use this brush, so I'm just gonna use this, and the thing with bangs is sometimes you want it to fall in a way it's not gonna do it. But you know what? Now that I'm looking at my black hair, I'm like, oh my gosh, should I go back to black? Don't mind me, guys. Don't mind me. Yeah, that's the kind. So I think I am happy with this, like this. I'm just gonna let it fall on the side, and the part in the middle, I'm just gonna cut it a little bit more. So I'm just gonna take the scissor and just like this. Because the thing with bangs is usually I like them for 2 days, and then after they get on my nerve because I can feel them in my eyes or in my face. I know that's the point of bangs, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to shape. Is it weird? Oh, okay. I'm gonna shape my hair, and maybe I'm just gonna take this. Okay, so the side, what I usually do is just I take what fall naturally on the side like this, and I'm just gonna go randomly and just like chop, but not a lot, just like I follow the shape of my face like this, so it doesn't look like short and long, but it's kind of like a lot. I feel like I'm taking all of the part that is really blonde, and there, and I'm gonna do the same thing here. Not too much. Probably tomorrow I'm gonna regret this, I feel. Okay, so at this point I was just shaping the front of my hair, and I was trying to make it blend it more. What I find weird is because I cut like all of the blonde in the front, it was just weird to have like just a black on my bang and then the blonde on the side. So I think I didn't really mind the bang, but I didn't like the two colors that was not really blending. So I'm gonna be honest, after when I went out, I just like put the bang on the side and just like try to hide it a little bit. But in the next part of the video, you're gonna see my hair the day after. Oh, I kind of styled it, but I only like kept the bang for like 2 days. Yeah, I'm gonna try. It's not bad, right? Maybe it's just I'm trying to convince myself it's not bad. See-through bangs. Yep, That's the best result I can have today, I think. Just gonna like this. Okay, that's the best result I think I can have today. Just gonna leave it like that. Kind of like a see-through bang. And I'll see during the days if I just put them on the side or something like that. Yeah. Okay, so as I said, I didn't like the bang, but I didn't like the color in the front that was just black and it didn't really blend with the blonde. So most of the time, even curly, I just wear it on the side. I put a bobby pin, and the good news is the front of my hair usually grow faster than the rest of my hair, so I knew it was just gonna grow. And for the holidays, I just wear my hair most of the time in a half up, half down. So this is pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. Bonne journée.